Stars drip silver like an endless rain. pulse of the void, we feel it there. Oh, the world spins softer here, where whispers echo loud and clear. In this trance we're weightless, free. The cosmos hums in harmony. Shadows melt in the quiet glow. Time dissolves where the rivers flow. Whispers dance on the edge of air, a fleeting dream that lingers there. Weightless hearts begin to sway, lost in waves that pull away. Endless skies and soft embrace, hypnotic tides we can't Moonlight bends in a secret arc, painting lines through the endless dark. Echoes hum in the hollow deep, a song that wakes but lets us sleep. Weightless hearts begin to sway, lost in waves that pull away. Endless skies and soft embrace, hypnotic tides we can't replace. Clouds collide in a gentle spin, breathless moments pull us in, a pulse that slows but never dies, written in the velvet sky. Weightless hearts begin to sway, lost in waves that pull away. Endless skies and soft embrace, hypnotic tides we can't replace. Feel the rhythm, let it flow. Lights are flashing, here we go. Hearts are racing, take the ride. Lose yourself, don't hide. Turn it up, let it pound. Feel the bass shake the ground. Hands up high, touch the sky. This is our moment to fly. We're alive in the night, let it shine. Move your body, feel the time, it's divine. Let the music take control, lose your mind. Stepping closer, feel the heat. Dancing bodies, moving feet. Shadows fading, colors bright.